Welcome dear students to another part of our class, Standard 10th, Chapter 15 Probability. In previous parts we have learned exercise 15.1. Today we will start some related questions and then optional questions. Okay, so from exercise 15.1 we will solve question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region. So what is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? Look at here, there is a diagram. Here this is a rectangular region and this is the die. Okay, so the possible outcomes for taking it, we find the area of rectangle or rectangular region. Okay, for this we know very well, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is 3 and breadth is 2. So we have 6 meter square area of rectangular region, and the shape of die is circular shape. So area of circle we will find, this is favorable outcome. So we will find area of circle. You know pi r square is the formula of area of circle, and if diameter is 1 meter, so find from here radius is 1/2 meter. Okay, so put here value pi, value of r is 1/2 square. Okay, when we solve it, pi 1/4, so pi/4 meter square is the area of circle. Then probability die will land inside the circle. Die will land inside the circle. For that we will write here favorable outcome, which is pi/4, because die is in the circle, and possible outcomes are area of rectangle, which is 6 meter square. So what should we do? We will solve it. This is pi/24. This is the probability die will land inside the circle. Then we will solve next question, question number 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupees coin 3 times. Okay, so when we toss 3 times, possible outcomes are head, 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 then tail, 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 then head, tail, head, then head, head, tail. Then put there head, tail, head, head. Then take tail, head, tail, and tail, tail, head, and head, tail, tail. Okay, so we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of possible outcomes are 8. Then, and noting its outcome each time, Hanif wins if all the tosses gives the same result. 3 head, head, and 3 tail, tail. Okay, probability that Hanif wins, the game. For winning the game, what is the condition? Condition is 3 heads or 3 tails. 3 heads head, 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 and 3 tails, tail, tail, tail. So the favorable outcomes are 2. Okay, and if you understand these are the favorable outcome, so the probability of favorable outcomes are 2 and the possible outcomes are 8, and solve it, so you get 1/4. But the question is, calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. For losing the game, probability Hanif will lose the game. What we apply? We apply 1 minus probability Hanif will win the game. As we have solved previously, so 1 minus win the game is 1/4, and when you solve this you get 3/4. So these are the probability that Hanif will lose the game. Okay, now we will move to the optional questions, exercise 15.2, and in this exercise some important questions are there which are related totally to exercise and important for exam. Okay, so we will try to solve this question number 3. It's question number 3 tells a bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. We know there are 5 red balls and we don't know about blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, determine the number of blue balls. Firstly, we don't know about blue balls, so let the number of blue balls be x. Blue balls be x, and the red balls, number of red balls 5, which is given in the question. Then find the probability of drawing a blue ball is double. So the total number, that means possible outcomes are, total number of balls are, we know adding both x plus 5. Okay, so probability getting red ball. What is the probability of getting red ball? Favorable outcome 5 and possible outcomes are x plus 5. Similarly, getting blue balls, getting blue ball, favorable outcome x and possible outcomes x plus 5. Okay, so according to the condition, according to the condition, here the probability of drawing a blue ball, the probability of drawing a blue ball x by x plus 5 is double of red ball. Red ball are 5, x plus 5. Then you solve this by cross multiplication. So we get 5 to the 10. Then here cross multiplication, x square plus 5x, and here 10x plus 5 10 the 50. Okay, then transmit this x square plus 5x, then minus 10x plus 50. Okay, then we will find from here x, take common, x plus 5, then here take minus common, minus 10, so here x minus 5. Okay, so in the place value of x, there is find x minus, this is also minus. Okay, when we transmit this. Okay, so x plus 5 and x minus 10. Simply you can say that this is negative and this is positive, and we know very well that the number of balls cannot be negative, so we will take 10. So in this question we can say that the number of blue balls are 10. Okay, so students, we will take another question. Okay, question number 4. A box contains 12 balls. Total number of balls 12, and out of which x are black. Okay, so black balls are x. Then total number of balls are a bag contains x balls, out of which x are black. Okay, then if one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black color? Okay, if 6 more black balls are put, okay, then we write here 6 more balls. 6 more put in the box. So what will happen? The total number is, total number of balls 12 plus 6 is equals to 18, and the black balls are, then the black balls are x plus 6, because 6 are including in the box. Okay, so we will add here and add here 6. Then probability of getting black ball, black ball. Here we will find out the probability getting black ball is, look at here, x by 12, because 8 is favorable outcome and 12 is possible outcomes. And here when 4 more balls put in the box, then the probability is, this is favorable outcome and this is possible outcomes. Okay, so according to the condition, if 6 more balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now, double of its before. This is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. So probability of getting black ball is double of what it is after. Now we will solve it. X plus 6 by 18, then 2x by 12. Then solve it. 12x plus 12 6 is 72 and 18 2 is 36x. And when you solve it, look at here, 36 minus 12x minus 72x. Okay, 36 minus 12, 24x, and 72 is transmitted here. So 72 is divided by 24, you get 3. Okay, so find the x, and the x is 3. I hope students you understand this. Question number 5 is just related to both of these questions. Try to solve it, and here our chapter will be finished. I will give you some assignment question. Try to solve this. So this is the end of our session. Today we will continue with our subjects on next part of our class. Till then, goodbye.